Is your hair growing at a slow pace, thin hair, and nothing seems to be making it stronger or healthier? Well, glad you came across this video. Don't skip it. I promise it's so good and your hair will love all the information this video brings. These powerful ingredients can be found around you. This video fetched me over 6 million views when I first shared it, and the testimonies, the feedbacks, they are mind blowing. We are almost in December, and if you're struggling to grow your hair before December, this is your chance. You have all the time to start off with these particular ingredients, and that is why I brought this up. I want you to grow the hair of your dreams before December. I know you may cringe or you may be surprised, but yes, with this particular recipe, the feedbacks that we got from the first time we shared this recipe, they were mind-blowing. Even as early as 1 week, people were seeing results from using this particular product, this particular DIY. Hi, just in case you're new to the channel, my name is Dima Okike. I am the founder of Nyere Hair Care Naturals, an all-natural holistic hair care brand. I started this journey just last year. Yeah, I have been sharing recipes on YouTube since 2020, and the thing that inspired my hair care brand is this channel. From sharing recipes with you guys, from my last video I shared with you guys how I lost my hair, and I've been praying to God whether he wanted me to venture into owning a hair care brand, because as I was sharing recipes with you guys, some of you were wanting me to start my own hair care brand, but I always told you guys that I was yet to hear from God, until I had my hair mishap last year and the Holy Spirit was like, Dimma, this is the time. Some of you wanted me to some of you wanted me to sue the brand. That was Cantu. I used one of their sprays and it got my hair all locked up. A lot of you saw the issue when I shared it online. So some of you wanted me to sue Cantu, the rest of you wanted me to cut my hair, but I kept my faith alive, just to let you know that God is all knowing. God was in the beginning when the beginning began. To cut the long story short, my hair care brand has been a blessing. My hair is now thriving so well, and so is the hair of my customers. Thicker, healthier, and stronger. In the next 5 years, I aim to travel the world to share my knowledge and also to plant Nyere hair care. So help me God. So to start off this video, all you need to do is just to grab a jar like so. Make sure it is clean, make sure it is sterilized. For me to be able to use what I share with you guys on this channel to grow back my hair, that means that whatever that I share with you guys, none of them is a joke. So starting off with clove, these are clove buds. I'm sure all of you have all these ingredients because I have shared this video before, because I want to bring it back for a reason, for those of you that want your hair to thrive before December so that you guys can flaunt it. That is why I'm bringing back this video. Now, the first ingredient is clove buds, whether it's powder or is in whole form. Use it. Next ingredient is hibiscus. Everything that I'm using in this video is measured at the proportion of 1 tablespoon each, regardless of whatever that I put it in. That is these my small little plates. Just know that they are 1 tablespoon each, both the cloves and hibiscus and also our moringa. The last ingredient that I added was moringa powder. Please, if you have the fresh ones, go on ahead to use it. All I did was just to pour 500 ml worth of hot water. Remember, you can make a bigger batch than what I just made now. I want you to pay close attention for the last two ingredients. So I had to steep it in the hot water for about 12 hours, and after 12 hours I had to strain this. So after straining, the next thing is to transfer it into my spray bottle. Now make sure your spray bottle is clean, make sure you wash it thoroughly. Now the next thing that I will do is to transfer this into the spray bottle. If you don't have spray bottle, you can use your what do you call it again, your perfume bottles, your body spray bottles. Wash it thoroughly and sterilize it with warm water and salt. Now for the last two ingredients, I'm going to be adding in my peppermint essential oil and tea tree essential oil. If you don't have these two essential oil, you are not a DIYer. Better go get yours. Tea tree essential oil and peppermint essential oil. Amazing stuff, good stuff. So shake it up very well. Make sure you combine all the ingredients well. Before you ask, I added the the essential oil in 5 drops each, both the peppermint and the tea tree essential oil. So what did I do with this spray? I apply it on my hair. If you're bored, just focus on your problem areas. Spray this on your problem areas 2 to 3 times, maybe, 2 to 3 times a week on your hair, the body of your hair. But if it's on your problem part, like if you're bald, you can spray this every day on your bald area and then apply oil. You can make this into oil and also spray. These 3 ingredients, they are so powerful. You don't need to add anything. I don't want to see you in my comment section telling me, Dima, should we add fenugreek? Should we add this? No. Use just these 3 and see how it works for you. Just give yourself from now to December and then see how it works for you before you start looking for what to add to it. The only thing you can add to this ingredient, this DIY, is just your essential oils. Aside that, please don't overdo. Some of you like to overdo. Don't overdo this time around. Just use the 3 ingredients as I mentioned in the video. Spray from your scalp to your hair tips. Remember, your hair tips, they are the oldest part of your hair, so make sure to also pay more attention to your hair tips. Now when you finish up, if you're applying it on your hair body, like to your hair shaft, make sure to follow up with your leave-in conditioner and also stay with pomade so that it doesn't dry out your hair. Because when I first shared this video, some of you were complaining of it drying out your hair. That's because you're not following instruction. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. See you on my next one. Bye.